there was this Friday afternoon around 4 o'clock, and there was a sanitary pipe that was across the street that wasn't shown on the plans. And I applied to a few places, but at that point, my father had sold his business, the one that had me stuck in the mud, and he started working with and running in partnership with another individual, a company that specialized in data center construction. And so I had an opportunity to work in their CAD department. And then one of the construction managers, we signed a project that was going to be out in Phoenix. And he asked me if I wanted to be his assistant project manager, because if I didn't, he was going to hire somebody out there to be his assistant. And so I decided to jump at that opportunity. And so now I was involved in construction management. There was this Friday afternoon around 4 o'clock, and there was a sanitary pipe that was across the street that wasn't shown on the plans. And there was a treatment plant like two or three properties away. And so this was a 24-inch sanitary pipe that we had to cross over to get to a regional basin for the drainage to tie into. And so we were proposing or installing the proposed RCP, that's a reinforced concrete pipe, to go into that basin, and the excavator broke open that 24-inch sanitary sewer pipe at like 4 o'clock on a Friday. So then we were there till like 6 a.m. Like they had the emergency source, massive 24-inch Fernco fittings, which are like the rubber fittings that you would see on like plumbing pipe in your house or something, but they were like massive. And then we cased the whole thing in concrete, and we're there all night just emergency patching this pipe. But like after being involved in that, I started to get this itch for wanting to do what I studied in school, and that was to be involved in some land development properties, more so the construction side. So after that job is when I started to look for a civil engineering job on my own.